Hi, this is Airbagged Trailers, and this is a quick video about security. You can obviously get a GPS unit or something like that if you wanted to, but one of the good things with our trailers is that they are, firstly, they're very low volume and unique, and each tends to have unique specifications, so they're very identifiable. So if it did ever get stolen, we'd be able to know essentially which one it was, and it would be very hard for someone to sell that on the aftermarket as a new trailer or whatever. So the second feature obviously is that you can lower it to the ground. So great for if you're traveling and you need to stay, at a motel or whatever. You can park it with your vehicle on it and back it up to a wall or another vehicle or something like that, lower it, and no one's going to be able to hook that up and drive away because the trailer is physically on the ground. So if someone, for example, did know how to operate the trailer and lift it up, to counter that, there's options of including removing the coupling, which bolts on here, and so they would need the correct coupling and bolts, and they would have to actually do that. A secondary thing that you can do is to empty the air tanks, and so this one here at the moment has no tank pressure, so they would have to turn on the compressors and wait for them to fill up, and that's a very noisy procedure that takes a bit of time, so generally would deter almost all thieves from doing that. If you were to as well leave the tank valves open, they would be, the compressors would be running and nothing would actually be filling up because the air would just drain out straight away. Another level to that is to actually just remove the compressors fuses, and then the compressors wouldn't even turn on, so the tanks wouldn't fill up. So yeah, so plenty of security options for our trailers so that you keep your trailer and obviously your vehicle that's on it as well. That's another really important thing. You can usually replace a trailer easier than you can replace your pride and joy. So yeah, Airbag Trailers, thanks very much.